Okay, here we are, just a quick run on the Suzuki today, give it a shakedown after all the additions. There shouldn't be any problems, everything is fairly tight I think. My only concern is that clutch cable, to be honest. I think I might be adjusting that on the way back, or when I get back rather. The other thing I'll apologise for is I still haven't got the microphone sorted on my GoPro. I'm waiting on a TRS connector, and so you're probably not going to hear much when we're riding, apart from road noise obviously. So yeah, I'll just keep the video brief and put in some scenic bits if we get any. I've used the GPS to plot a track, probably dirt roads. I don't know what condition they're in, so we'll see how we go. Anyway, quick ride today, waiting on Bruce to turn up, and we'll get going. Just go down to there. Right, so it does look like that road I'm supposed to be on. Right on. We're going to have to do a U-turn. Okay, so it looks like the road that we were supposed to be on that's what I'm doing on the road. This, that's the way we're supposed to go. Which looks like it's somebody's private property now. Huh. Okay, so here I am back after a 3.5 hour ride, actually closer to 4 hours I think. Everything went pretty well. I'm not too keen on my clutch cable routing, I might have to change that. I think my handlebars need to come back very slightly, I'll rotate them back very slightly. I don't like my phone sitting there, I might move it to the front. And my remote, GoPro Remote, keeps sliding about, so I'll have to put a little sticky thing on that. Everything else went pretty well. GPS worked fantastically, and yeah, I'm more than happy with everything else, so I think we're all good. As I said, handlebars come back a bit, just rotate down, they're slightly too high, and fix the remote, sliding about, move my phone, and I'll change that clutch cable routing, but I'll do that at a later date. And apart from that, she's all good, she runs well. Thanks for watching.